Good morning, guys. This is Chris from Chris and Cami Photography, and last night we made it up to Newport, Tennessee, and check out this cool place we stayed in. Britt gave us his workshop to spend the night, and we had a great night's sleep, got all rested up and ready to ride a short little hop over to Maggie Valley, which is where we left off in season 1, and then back on the TransAmerica Trail for stage 2. It's going to be a fun day, you guys. We have some beautiful riding coming up, going through the Smoky Mountains National Park, Cherry Hollow Skyway. I mean, it's just an amazing part of the country to ride in. So stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. We were riding along and we saw this amazing cloud cover and fog coming in over the mountain, so we had to stop and do a drone shot.
Where we left off before we went our separate ways after stage 1. Oh, the puppies are out. Hi, Charlie.
Hey, how are you? Welcome back to Maggie Valley. I do. I love your shirts. These are awesome, guys. Wait, I didn't see the back. These things are fun and fun is good. Dr. Seuss, I love that. That's fantastic. So you got shirts now. I mean, you guys are looking like Ewan and Charlie with your...
Yeah, well, you know, we're riding with Steve, who's almost as famous as Charlie.
Oh, that's... So Ewan's the one that drops his mic a lot.
Thanks for throwing me under the bus.
Sorry about that. There's nothing wrong
I'll
with
check the oil while I'm under there too.
And we have a big, very, very important question.
Yeah.
Steve wants to know, do you have coffee?
Yes. Yes, coffee we have.
Hey, look who's here! What's up, gang? So what you been up to?
Same old, same old.
Keeping
Working, slogging,
Keeping her in line?
keeping me in a manner I've grown accustomed to.
All right, very cool. Well, we're back. We're ready to go TransAmerica Trail Stage 2. Starting from here, we carry on.
The beginning of this trip is starting right here. We are honored.
The Nilight, or Nilight, Nilight, 18 watts of LED goodness right out there in the front. They didn't fall off. They still work. They got wet. They dried. They still work. $21.05 on Amazon. $21.05. They work. We're going to switch to the handlebars, not with the ignition. Manual switch. On and off when I turn on and off the bike. They didn't break. Nilight. Nilight? Nilight.
All right, so we left Beth and Ken's place, and now we are on the Blue Ridge Parkway, the little tail end of the Blue Ridge Parkway that takes you to the Oconaluftee Visitor Center at the base of the Smoky Mountains National Park. So this is epic. What do you guys think? Beautiful roads?
Love it, love it.
Got a few twisties, right?
472, if I recall, is what the Blue Ridge Parkway is.
Yeah, Steve and I, you and I were, well, we already did this, didn't we?
Yeah, this is old school. This is so boring.
So Steve and I, we did a Blue Ridge Parkway trip, and you can find that in our channel. I'll link to it at the end of the video. But yeah, we rode from Virginia, that the start of the Blue Ridge Parkway is, and took it all the way to Cherokee last year. So you can find that on our channel, but still can't pass up a beautiful ride like this. This is awesome.
You can't be in a hurry. The speed limit's only 45, but honestly, that's all you need if you want to take in some of the sights.
Yeah, it's just gorgeous, sweeping turns, and if you plan it right, there's not a lot of people. So you pretty much have the road to yourself like we did in our video.
Cool little tunnels every now and then.
Love these tunnels.
And the road, honestly, is well maintained.
Yeah, and the views, epic views. Come around a corner and you just look over this ledge and it's just miles and miles of valleys and mountains, and it's gorgeous.
And I would click off the time that it took to go from 1 mile marker to the next, and I would keep track of how fast the bus was going.
Huh.
What grade of school were you in?
That would be 10th grade.
Now, where's the joke at the end of that story?
Well, there was no joke. It was just something to do while you were riding in a bus for hours and didn't have a GPS or a cell phone to tell you how fast the bus was going.
I don't care what the object of the story was, but the minute you started telling it, both Jason and I started recording this conversation because we were expecting a big joke.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The joke plays itself. A learning moment. It was a learning moment.
I thought that was funny.
No, I was a bored kid on a bus trying to come up with something to do with my time.
Well, Steve's boredom just gave me about 35 seconds worth of story. So.
Hey guys, we made it to Smoky Mountains National Park. We are close to the exit for Clingman's Dome. We're not going to get all the way to Clingman's Dome because we got a fair ways to go yet. But look at these epic views, man. This is cool. Check. Alright. Over the top one, right? Okay, keep going. Go past me. And pull off on the left-hand side on the next one. Cool.
Dude, they cut a pig in half and gave me the left side.